Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Yemi and I make DIY videos. As you can see from the thumbnail for this video, I will be sharing with you my experience with two personal nail brands that I tried. And here is the experience of the first one. The first one is that one that has this like really pretty packaging and whatnot. It's really pretty. I thought it'd be like really good, but the nail quality is bad first off, and the glue was not really working. Like it worked for like 3 or 4 nails, and then for the rest it just was useless. I kind of wish that I bought like maybe backup glue from like Walmart or wherever, so that I could use it for the nails, but they did not work, so I had to take them off. The problem is when you fix nails like this and you use glue, it kind of stays stronger than it would with your adhesive tabs, and they become really hard to take off. So I had to use this method to take them off. Basically, I dipped like a cotton ball in nail polish remover. I put it on my nail and I wrapped my nail in aluminum foil. Do not attempt to sleep with this because you will wake up in tears. In like 5 minutes, my fingers were burning, so I realized that I had to take them off. I took out the foil, and as you can see, the nail kind of melted. Now I just have to like, push it slightly till it completely gets off my nail. So this was the method I had to use to take it off. I mean, you could try different methods, but I honestly was not comfortable walking around with 4 nails that had press-ons and then the rest of my nails had nothing on them. It was just weird. So this is the second one I tried. It looks really similar to the Kiss brand. Is it Kiss by Impress or Impress by Kiss? It looks like similar to the Kiss brand. It has like the kind of things they have inside their nail kit. So this is the adhesive tab. They are kind of like arranged in like different nail sizes. You also have like the pack of nails. It also has glue if you want to use glue, but I would definitely not be using glue again because that is just stressful. If I want to use glue, I might as well just go to the salon. Like, that is just stressful. So it has just 3 steps, like your usual Kiss by like the other brand I've used before, Kiss. And first off, you file your nail, you use that alcohol wipe, and then you attach your adhesive tab to the nail or to your own nail, and then just put everything together. So I'm just going to show you how I went about that. If you watch my previous video, you know that the first thing you do is kind of size up your nails and see what nails are going to fit where and what nails you're going to use. They have numbers on them at the top, so you can tell where the top is and where the bottom is. So the top usually has a number, at the bottom you align that with the bottom of your own nail. So yeah, I'm pretty much just sizing it up now to see what sizes I'll be using for what nail. They're usually about the same thing for both fingers. Like if you're using like 9 for your pinky finger, you probably use 9 on the other hand as well, but sometimes it might be a little different. So just size it up and be sure of what you want to do. And now I'm done with that part, and it's time to go on to the next part. Please excuse my friend laughing because I don't know why what she's watching. She's just laughing. If you can hear it, I'm sorry. So the next thing is for me to kind of file my nail. I'm going to use this file that he gave me here. I really didn't do too much of filing because I just used the other nail previously. I tried to apply that other nail and I already did it filing there. So now I'm just going straight to use the alcohol wipe to wipe down whatever dust that came out of my nail filing process. So I'm done with that part, and it's time to actually put the nail on. I'm going to check for which size is going to fit my pinky. I usually would start with my pinky finger. Life is just easy when you do that. Do not attempt to start with your thumb because it becomes really difficult to apply the press-ons on the other nails. So I'm putting this. The tip of the sticker should be like facing down. So that's the way you can now pull the sticker off. So once you pull the sticker off completely, you grab the press-on nail and you align that properly with your cuticle line and put that on your nail. And that's it. You press it down for about 30 seconds or 60 seconds depending on how long you're used to doing it, but I think for me it really didn't take that long. So you press it from the center of the nail towards the sides and you're good. So I went on to do the other nails. For this one, I used the nail to like check the size, the press-on nail, and I also use my finger as well. Like I use both just to be sure that the nail is going to stay there. And as you can see in my last video, my nails were like cut really short, but in this one I made them slightly longer because I did not want to have that effect of the glue sticking out, because the glue usually is longer than my actual nails, so I let my nails grow out a little bit. So I'm doing the same thing I did earlier. I put the adhesive tab on my nail, I grab the sticker at the bottom of my nail, peel that off, just slowly peel it off. I don't know why my voice is disappearing, but I hope that you can still hear me. So I just peel that off slowly, and I also grab the press-on nail and align that properly with my cuticle line. I kind of use the nail to push down my cuticle line and then, press it firmly on my finger, and that's it. The thing is, when you do this over time, you're able to kind of tell what nail sizes you should be using on what finger. But sometimes these brands are like they all have like different like numbering style. I don't know. So sometimes the numbers you might use might end up being different. But most times, 0 is like the largest size, and then 10 or 12 or 13, depending on how many sizes the brand runs, will be like the smallest size. So I decided to try putting the adhesive tab on the press-on nail first before putting it on my own nail, so it just feels like the way it would look when I'm doing it with the Kiss brand. I don't know why I keep comparing this to Kiss brand, but I guess you just understand that that's what I've used. That was the first one I used, so I keep like referring back to that one. So now I just applied the adhesive tab to the nail that I was going to put. I press it down firmly on the nail, then I take out the sticker from the top slowly. Ensure that you press it down firmly so that it really stays, and when you pull off the sticker, the glue doesn't come off with the sticker. So now I'm done with that. I'm just going to put that on my nail. This is also easy. It really depends on which one you want to use. You can use the first method or you can use this method, whichever one works for you. So I think I pretty much used both of them throughout the 10 fingers. So whichever one I felt would work better for what nail, I did just that. I'm really liking how this is turning out, to be honest. Like, I'm wearing them currently, and so far the quality of this one is like better than the first one I tried. I will definitely put the link to this one in the description box. This video is not sponsored by anybody, but I'm just trying to share stuff that I bought successfully from AliExpress, and I'll obviously be sharing not obviously, but I will be sharing like other things that I bought from AliExpress that kind of make sense or that look really nice. So just watch out for these videos. I'll share from like jewelry to like sewing supplies and a bunch of other random stuff that I just buy from AliExpress. I'll share them. I'll also put a link to the bad one, to be honest. I think I should put that, so in case you see it, avoid it with all of your strength. So I use this second method, like I said, for this thumb, and it worked out fine. Now I'm pretty much done with one hand, and I'm going to go over to the other hand off camera because I don't think I need to show you that. You should probably already know how this goes. If you want to go ahead and file like the top of the nail down, you can do that, but for me, I liked how the shape was and it looked really nice. Also, if you're buying this kind of nails, please make sure that you buy dark colors because these are like matte. They have this matte feel, and if you buy colors that are light and you try to do your makeup, they're going to get dirty, and when they get dirty, it's hard to like clean off. So this is the final look. Here's what it looks like. They look really nice and cute, and I'm happy that I tried them out. I hope that they do last long, but I'll just put like an update in the comment section to show you how long they last. Thank you so much for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.